Bandung, a city nestled in the heart of West Java, Indonesia, is renowned for its cool mountain air, vibrant culture, and delectable cuisine. This city, often referred to as the Paris of Java, offers a unique blend of natural beauty and urban charm, making it a must-visit destination for travelers. Among its culinary treasures, Surabi holds a special place, captivating locals and visitors alike with its unique flavor and texture. This traditional snack, often enjoyed with a variety of toppings, showcases the rich culinary heritage of Bandung. Imagine a pancake, but fluffier, infused with a subtle sweetness, and cooked over charcoal, lending it a delicate smoky aroma. The process of cooking surabi over charcoal not only enhances its flavor, but also adds a touch of nostalgia, reminding us of simpler times. That, my friends, is surabi. It's a dish that brings people together, whether it's at a bustling street market or a quiet family gathering. Surabi is not just food, it's an experience, a journey back in time, a taste of tradition passed down through generations. Each bite tells a story of Bandung's rich cultural tapestry and its people's love for good food. Often enjoyed as a breakfast treat or an afternoon delight, surabi is best savored hot off the earthenware pan, its warmth spreading through your hands as you take that first, satisfying bite. The combination of its soft texture and the slight crunch from the edges makes it a delightful treat. Whether you're a seasoned food enthusiast or a curious beginner, join me as we embark on a culinary adventure, recreating the magic of Bandung-style Surabi in your own kitchen. We'll explore the traditional methods and modern twists that make this dish so special. Get ready to experience the joy of cooking and the satisfaction of savoring a dish that carries the soul of Bandung on a plate. Let's dive into the heart of Bandung's culinary scene and discover the secrets behind this beloved treat. Surabi, with its humble beginnings, has graced Indonesian tables for centuries. Its roots can be traced back to the rural communities of Java, where it was a staple food made with readily available ingredients like rice flour and coconut milk. Over time, surabi evolved, adapting to regional tastes and preferences. In Bandung, it took on a distinct character, becoming synonymous with the city's culinary identity. The addition of Oncom, a fermented soybean product unique to West Java, added a layer of savory complexity, distinguishing Bandung-style Surabi from its counterparts. Today, surabi continues to be an integral part of Bandung's food culture, sold by street vendors and in traditional restaurants alike. Its enduring popularity speaks volumes about its timeless appeal, a simple dish that transcends generations, connecting the past with the present through its comforting flavors and aromas. Before we embark on our surabi making journey, let's gather the necessary provisions. The beauty of this recipe lies in its simplicity, utilizing ingredients easily found in most kitchens. For the surabi, 2 cups rice flour, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon instant yeast, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 cups coconut milk, 1 cup water, vegetable oil for greasing. For the oncom topping, 1 cup grated oncom fermented soybean cake, 2 shallots, finely chopped, 3 cloves garlic, minced, 1-inch ginger, finely grated, 2 red chilies, finely chopped. Adjust to your spice preference. 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, salt to taste, tools of the trade, 2 large mixing bowls, whisk, non-stick pan or griddle, spatula, small saucepan. With our ingredients prepped and tools at the ready, we're all set to dive into the heart of the recipe, creating the surabi batter. Section 4. The heart of the surabi, crafting the batter. The batter is the very foundation of our surabi, and achieving the right consistency is crucial. It's the base that holds all the flavors together, ensuring every bite is perfect. Don't worry, it's a simple process that requires just a little patience. With the right steps, you'll master it in no time. First, in a large mixing bowl, combine the rice flour, all-purpose flour, instant yeast, sugar, and salt. These ingredients are essential for the batter to rise and develop its unique texture. Whisk these dry ingredients together until well combined. Make sure there are no lumps, as this will ensure a smooth batter later on. Next, in a separate bowl, whisk together the coconut milk and water. The coconut milk adds a subtle sweetness and richness to the surabi, while the water helps achieve the desired consistency. The coconut milk adds a subtle sweetness and richness to the surabi, while the water helps achieve the desired consistency. This combination is what gives surabi its distinct flavor. Now, gradually add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, whisking constantly to avoid lumps. This step is crucial for a smooth batter, whisking constantly to avoid lumps. The key is to be gentle yet thorough, ensuring all ingredients are well incorporated. Continue whisking until a smooth batter forms. The batter should be slightly thicker than pancake batter, but not too thick. The batter should be slightly thicker than pancake batter, but not too thick. This consistency is what will give surabi its characteristic texture. Then, cover the bowl with a clean kitchen towel. This helps to keep the batter warm and allows it to rise properly. And set aside in a warm place for at least 1 hour. This resting period is crucial for the yeast to activate and create air bubbles. This resting period allows the yeast to work its magic, creating air bubbles that will give our surabi its signature fluffy texture. The bubbles are a sign that the batter is ready. While the batter rests and develops its flavor, we can turn our attention to preparing the star of our surabi topping, the oncom. This will complement the surabi perfectly. We can turn our attention to preparing the star of our surabi topping, the oncom. This topping adds a savory element that balances the sweetness of the surabi. Section 5. The soul of the surabi, preparing the oncom topping. The oncom topping is what truly sets Bandung-style Surabi apart, adding a savory, slightly tangy, and spicy dimension that perfectly complements the subtle sweetness of the surabi. This unique topping is a staple in Sundanese cuisine and brings a burst of flavor that elevates the dish to a whole new level. First, heat a tablespoon of vegetable oil in a small saucepan over medium heat. The oil should be just enough to coat the bottom of the pan, ensuring that the ingredients cook evenly. Once the oil is shimmering, add the chopped shallots, minced garlic, and grated ginger. These aromatics form the base of our topping, infusing the oil with their rich flavors. Sauté for a minute or two until fragrant, being careful not to burn the garlic. The key is to stir constantly, allowing the ingredients to release their essential oils without browning too quickly. Next, crumble the grated oncom directly into the pan with the aromatics. Oncom, a traditional fermented soybean cake, adds a unique texture and depth of flavor to the topping. Stir well to combine and continue cooking for about 5 to 7 minutes, breaking up any large chunks of oncom. This ensures that the oncom is evenly distributed and fully absorbs the flavors of the aromatics. The oncom should be heated through and slightly browned. This browning process enhances the nutty flavor of the oncom, making it even more delicious. Then, add the chopped red chilies to the pan, adjusting the amount according to your spice preference. The chilies add a vibrant color and a kick of heat that balances the dish. Stir to combine and cook for another minute. This brief cooking time allows the chilies to soften slightly while retaining their bright flavor. Finally, season the oncom topping generously with salt to taste. The salt enhances all the flavors, bringing out the best in each ingredient. Remember, oncom itself can be bland, so don't be shy with the salt. A well-seasoned topping makes all the difference in the final dish. Once the oncom topping is ready, remove it from heat and set it aside. Let it cool slightly while you prepare the surabi. Now comes the exciting part: cooking the surabi. This traditional Indonesian pancake will be the perfect base for our flavorful oncom topping.